Giant Machine YouTube channel.
Back in 2011, a massive tsunami struck Japan, with powerful waves covering vast areas and leaving widespread devastation in its wake. This rock flood is truly terrifying, showcasing the raw power of nature as massive boulders and debris surge uncontrollably, threatening everything in their path.
Oh God. Oh dear God.
Jesus Christ! That is huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes!
Just look at how quickly this storm flipped the bus. The sheer speed of nature's fury is nothing short of astonishing. Take a look at this breathtaking moment. A massive avalanche cascades down the slopes of the Himalayas. People below stand in awe, capturing the raw, unstoppable power of nature. Look at this terrifying monster tornado. It's moving quickly, destroying everything in its path.
Oh! Violent tornado. Violent.
Back in 2019, a massive landslide occurred in China, leaving behind a path of destruction. Tsunami in Japan swept away countless cars and everything in its path.
何もかも完全に海水に飲み込まれました。ものすごい勢いです。津波は押し寄せ
Look at this massive landslide taking down countless trees in its path. Nature's power in full force. This lightning strike is incredibly powerful and bright. This hailstone is so dangerous and huge. It's like actual stones are falling from the sky.
This lava flow is truly mesmerizing and absolutely stunning.
Although locusts are relatively small, their impact can be devastating when they swarm in large numbers. These massive groups can inflict severe damage to farmland and crops. As you can see in the video,
Literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there anything above us? I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out. Oh my god. Look at the. Oh my god. Oh my god, it had a fly. Look at this. We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond big. Incredible.
Though an avalanche moves slowly, it can destroy everything in its path. This landslide is slowly but surely sweeping away countless trees in its path. This is absolutely incredible. This storm is so powerful that it overturned massive tankers in just a matter of seconds.
यहीं पे रुक जाना है और नहीं वो आगे मत जाना अमरेला नहीं है ना वो बादल नहीं वो पानी का ये है वो पानी का ये है
Oh my god! Oh, amazing.
Oh my god! Look at this run! Oh! Oh my god! Holy!
At Yellowstone National Park, people stand spellbound as a massive geyser erupts, launching towering clouds of steam and dark ash into the sky. This breathtaking display captures the sheer, untamed power of nature.